For the latest updates on the Indian startup ecosystem, subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon.
Hello and welcome to YourStory.com. I'm Devalina Biswas.
And my name is Oshik Porkait, and here are the top stories for the week.
Amazon's EdTech play in India isn't new, but certainly it's new looking. About a fortnight ago, the tech giant rebranded its year-old G-Ready app to Amazon Academy. The latter is in beta, available in the early access section on Google Play Store, but has already crossed 500,000 downloads. Most importantly, it got people talking. While Amazon did not make a splash about the rebranding exercise, it is possible that G-Ready became Amazon Academy to improve recognition and recall for customers. After all, few things stick like the Amazon branding. Check out on how Amazon Academy is heating up the EdTech test prep segment only on Your Stories App Fridays.
For close to 5 years, blockchain and Bitcoin have been the core focus area for several techies and companies. The problem is visible amidst the cracks in the traditional banking system, with many losing money in international transactions. Cryptocurrency seems like a viable alternative. This was something that drew Satvik Vishwanath to Bitcoin, the world's first decentralized open source digital currency and payment network. As a freelancer, he faced the problem of international banking transactions and was looking for ways to ensure that he didn't lose money. He would go for several Bitcoin meetups where he met Harish BV, Abhinandan Kaseti and Sunny Ray. In 2013, this pain point led the four to start UnoCoin, an online platform that enables customers to buy, sell and transact in Bitcoin and Ethereum. Read more about them on Your Stories product roadmap column.
Over the past few years, co-working spaces have seen exponential growth in India. In fact, besides the metros, Tier 2 and 3 cities have also joined the co-working party and are hoping the sector will thrive despite the COVID-19 pandemic. And this is where Bhopal-based Space comes in. The co-working startup has 3 spaces in Indore, Bhopal and Raipur. Founded in 2016, it aims to expand its services to 10 more small towns and cities and disrupt the co-working segment in Tier 2 and 3 cities in India.
The Indian space industry has been rapidly evolving in the past few years, starting from launching satellites, executing successful space missions, to churning out multiple innovations. It has done it all. In fact, the Indian Space Research Organization recently opened up the sector to private participants as well. However, the downside of these innovative strides is the damage caused to the environment. Today, most of the satellites and rockets launched into space leave a hefty carbon footprint behind. The chemical propulsion driving them contains highly toxic fuels that lead to environmental degradation, causing harm to human health if not handled with care. To counter this, Mumbai-based startup Manastu Space has developed an advanced, high-performing propulsion system known as iBooster. The space tech startup claims that this sustainable and safe propulsion system can reduce operational costs by 60% and satellite manufacturing costs by 30%. This startup also received a special mention in the recently concluded Tech 30 startup list in TechSparks. Read more about them only on Your Story. Get to know the startups which made its way to the Tech 30 list in the recently concluded TechSparks 2020 only on the Your Story website.
For more such news updates and videos from the Indian startup ecosystem, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.